Imagine this. You had built a thriving local manufacturing business from scratch. However, you're constantly plagued by some question. What's the true worth of my business? Is now the right time to sell? And if I did sell, what would be the right amount? Despite having spent years building your company, you don't even know how to begin finding out the answers. You had gotten vague advice and found conflicting information. The lack of clarity left you feeling overwhelmed and frustrated. That's when you discovered ValueEdge. With our software, you were able to get a quick, accurate estimate of your business's worth. It was as if you had been handed a GPS while lost at sea. Suddenly, you had a clear path to follow. And that's what we aim to provide with ValueEdge.
In the past, MYOB helped small and medium business owners with accounting by providing intuitive financial statements that can be prepared even by business owners with little accounting experience. By incorporating ValueEdge into MYOB, there is no change to the roles of business owners and accountants. The automation of financial modeling, valuation, and financial advisory through generative AI assists users of financial reports with the finance aspect of their business. For instance, if founders wanted to sell their business to another person.
Addressing the key workflow of finances for small and medium enterprises, we've recognized the importance of finance professionals in business valuations. Associated is the issue of small and medium business owners being limited in their options due to difficulties in business valuation when looking for opportunities in mergers and acquisitions. Hence, we propose to use generative AI to measure the value of SMEs, which incorporate forecasts and valuations for multiple purposes, which may include business planning, cap raises, and even facilitate and automate exit strategies. Now I'll pass on to Kevin to run us through ValueEdge.
Right, thank you, Annie. So I'll just run through the website demonstration that we have, which was built on JavaScript, HTML, and CSS with the React. Using React as a library. So right here we have the welcome screen that users are first presented with. They can log into their account as so. I'll just tend to log in as if I was a user. And that will take me to the the dashboard where they'll be able to view their overall financial overview. For example, here we have their cash flow projection for the year 2023 to 2024. In the top, we have widgets that display how much money they've earned today, their compound annual growth rate, as well as new clients that they've acquired today, and sales within the current year. On the side, we also have a widget that displays news that is presented specifically for mergers and acquisitions, where they're able to read more about it and follow current trending headlines. Below, this in particular is for a company that runs tech startup. So in this case, they're just tracking the overall users as well as how many clicks and sales. And next to it is the current gross cash flow that they experience from month to month. Finally, this is what the company does and their orders overview. Now I'll go into their profile. So this takes us into their profile. This shows them the options that they can use. For example, they can see whenever a new company is listed, a new merger, or whenever a new acquisition is available, as well as financial reports able to be downloaded, tax reports, as well as regulatory reports. and also giving them an overview of the current projects that they're working on, as well as conversations that they can have with other SMEs. And finally, for our billing page, this is how much ValueEdge would be monthly. So right now it's priced at $30, and they have the option to go to Pro, as well as a payment method that they're able to enter. And it also tracks the invoices that enter into the system, as well as the transactions that they use. And I'll pass it back to Annie now.
This app's proposed architecture in the front end uses Figma for the UX design. For the web app, React for the front end will be used for development. And in the mobile app, React Native will be used for the app development. In the backend, AWS Amplify will be used for the following services it provides, as well as to analyze our performance, we'll use Amazon Pinpoint.
With 98% of Australian businesses being SMEs, and with majority of them lacking financial expertise, we believe our tool, ValueEdge, will truly assist these business owners in maximising their potential and their value. Addressing the common issues in business exits and SMEs, which include valuation errors and pricey consulting packages, ValueEdge can provide convenient and affordable financial advice.
We've estimated our total recurring costs to be $78,000 a year, including upfront development costs of $50,000. We expect the total standalone cost to be $128,000 in the first year. Projecting this out, we expect to reach our break-even point in the fourth quarter of 2024 and reaching our standalone break-even point, which is where we pay off the upfront development costs, by quarter 3 2025.
So what does the current process for a business owner looking to sell look like? First, they need to consult with a relevant expert, which may be a financial consultant or an accountant. Then they need to collect relevant data and information, including historical financial reports. They also have the choice of many different valuation methods, each with varying degrees of accuracy. And finally, after a long-winded process, they receive the valuation output, which may require minor adjustments.
ValueEdge is the cheapest and most comprehensive valuation and advisory tool for SMEs. At just $40 per month, it provides financial modeling, reporting and visualization, seamless data integration, valuation advisory, and transaction advisory, which is a fraction of the cost compared to business brokers who charge large commissions and Medano, who charges a large fee per month for a less comprehensive service. As for our development timeline, in the first 3 to 5 weeks is the design phase, where we'll develop the user interface and user experience. The next 10 to 16 weeks is the actual coding of the app, where we'll set up the database, server-side logic, and build out all the features. The next 2 to 4 weeks is the testing phase. After the development, we'll perform rigorous testing to find out if there are any bugs. In the next 1 to 2 weeks is the deployment and launch phase. This involves deploying the app to the App Store or Play Store and also setting up the production environment. Ongoing, after initial launch, we will need to fix bugs that may come up and make updates to the operating system. Going forward, we see further developments for ValueEdge in regards to business listings, implementing a matching algorithm that can pair sellers and buyers, providing better integration with third parties such as MYOB, and expand the valuation algorithm to be more accurate and consistent, which can include a residual earnings model or a PE multiples model. Thank you.